You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this beautiful name of Russian origin, may also have a Roman origin. If you want to learn more confusing names, stay tuned. It means born on Christmas Day. Yes, indeed. The Russian pronunciation is as Natasha, Natasha. Therefore, in English, the pronunciation is quite similar and quite easy as Natasha. Alright, so generally in English, the first A isn't a schwa sound, N, not na. Some may say Natasha, which is fine, sounds more Russian, but in English, the pronunciation is more commonly as Natasha, Natasha, or Natasha. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.